I almost didn't make this, because what I am about to admit expose everything about me. I wasn't tired. I wasn't busy. I was lying to myself every single day. I kept whispering, soon, in the dark, like a prayer no one was listening to. Soon is where dreams go to die quietly. It doesn't push you. It doesn't save you. It just keeps you in a cage you built yourself. And I stayed there longer than I'll ever admit, until the dark stopped feeling dangerous and started feeling like home. That's when I knew I was trapped. The days didn't just pass, they sank, one after another, like something pulling me under while I stayed in the same room, repeating the same excuses in different shapes. I told myself I was resting. I told myself I was planning. I told myself tomorrow would finally be different. But the truth, I wasn't resting at all. I was slowly retreating myself. No training, no movement, just time bleeding away. While I watched it happen, my standards didn't crash, they didn't break. They just slowly disappeared. And I kept calling that peace. Until one day I looked in the mirror and I didn't see failure. I saw someone I didn't recognize anymore. Someone who had always stopped believing they were worth anything at all. And that kind of realization don't leave quickly. It stays, and it changes how you see everything from that moment on. I'm really embarrassed to admit this, but I couldn't sleep, and out of nowhere my chest tightened like something inside me was being grabbed and squeezed so hard, like my own body had finally run out of patience with me. Fear hit me, not the fear of failing, the fear of one day reaching the end of my life and realizing I never became who I was supposed to be. Everything suddenly became clear in a way I could no longer ignore, because I realized I'm not stuck because life is hard, but because no one is coming to change it for me. So the only way out is to slowly rebuild myself, step by step, until I become someone stronger than I used to be. So I made a decision, not a promise, and now I move right away before my mind can lie to me again, taking one step at a time and refusing to quit even when it feels hard, because I refuse to stay weak. The first day wasn't cinematic, and it wasn't a comeback. It was just a quiet start that no one would notice. But I know I will slowly become a little harder through actions, through reps no one sees, and through choices I make when no one is watching. And if you are still out there whispering, soon in the dark, just stop. This is your sign. Now. Because every single second you wait, everything you actually want is quietly walking away from you. I started something yesterday. I'm not telling you what it is yet. Not because I'm hiding it, but because the second I say it loud, I'll find a way to talk myself out of it. And I have done that too many times. So this time, I stay silent. You will notice in everything I do, in the way I show up, in the energy I can't hide anymore. And when that moment hits you, you will understand exactly why I had to start in silence. Because some changes lose their power the moment you explain them. So don't announce it, don't explain it, just start. Because the world doesn't remember what you said you would do. It remembers what you actually became.